Hi, this is Tony from HiltQuest Dual Sport, and last week I finished installing all of the accessories that I needed for my DRZ400 to make it more off-road friendly, and the only thing that was left was the skid plate that I had on order. It did come in, and I will be installing that today. So this is my Devol Racing aluminum skid plate, and it will be going on my DRZ400. I'm not much at a how-to video kind of guy, so I will be just documenting the steps I take to take the old one off and put the new one on, following these instructions. So good luck to me, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to start by removing these plastic side covers. They take a 12mm bolt. Down over here and off to the other side. Here goes the plastic covers. Next is this piece of aluminum. Alright, this also takes, no, that doesn't take 12. This takes a 10mm. There it is. The original is off, and we're on to getting it ready for the skid plate. I wonder what this is. Alright, I'm ready to install. Following the instructions, I've already removed the OEM skid plate and plastic engine case covers. Supplied rear frame mount using 625 shoulder bolts, nope, countersinks, and they recommend using some blue thread locker on the screw. According to the instruction sheet, the smaller one goes to the back, and the longer one goes right here. And unfortunately, these bolts use Allen keys. Kind of sucks. Let's see, what side does it take? Right there. So I'll put a little thread lock on it. that. And this goes in here. Tighten that up. That should be nice. Next one here. Okay, that's it. Next on the instructions, crap. Supposed to use, I forgot to put on the washers. Take that off. Alright, brackets installed. Okay, skid plate mounts like such. Doesn't help being left-handed, using my right hand. Oh well, I got two. Okay, and this top one here goes right here, I believe. Really no place to put it there. I should get a washer. It didn't give me a washer, but I'm going to put one in anyway. Okay, our washer. It's a little rusty, but I will put it in anyway. And that takes an 8mm wrench. So. Loosen it up because these need to stick in here a little better. Like that. I imagine when I tighten it down, it'll slip inside. They say 5 pounds torque, but I don't have a torque wrench that goes to 5 pounds, so I'll just put them really snug, and that should do it. And that's it. Installed. Wasn't that hard? And that's it. The Devol Racing skid plate installed less than 15 minutes.